Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're here with Mama Crunch, about to do our C.C.C.C. Corner Couch Crunches crew. We are the Corner Couch Crunches crew, so please do your Corner Couch Crunches with us this morning. Make sure you're in the corner. Back should be lined with the corner of the couch. You should be as low as you can go. And are you ready? You laughing at me, Mom? As low as you can go. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's all I can go today.
That's not all you can go because you went 20 yesterday. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Struggling on the 20 today.
Yeah.
You gonna keep trying to go? I know you're tired. You're slowing down. That's 22. We're gonna stop there because now it's getting harder for you. All right. What would you like to say?
Good morning. Just find your happiness for today. Be happy. Don't let nothing tear your joy, your peace. Embrace joy. No matter what come or go. Always remember, He gave us another day, so don't waste it with foolishness. That's it. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Like she say, find happiness in all that you do, whether it's going to work, find a piece of happiness, whether it's going out of town, enjoy yourself, find happiness. Even if you're staying home, find something that you like to do. Don't let nothing disturb or tear your day apart. However it's going, keep it that way. Whatever's in the way, remove it so that you can have a peaceful, happy day.
And one more thing. Change what you can change and accept that which you cannot change.
Including people. You cannot change people. Okay?
Amen.
Amen. So do what you can do within yourself and let people know how things make you feel. And if they want to change, they'll change. All we can do is pray for them or ask God to change them or remove them. And He's going to do one or two things. So God bless and have a blessed day.
The wine is cramped.